Some properties are built to impress and others are built to endure. This one does both. Today, we're going to showcase one of the most unique properties in Bangkok. Here, this property sits quietly between craftsmanship, architecture, and long-term value. Welcome to Investing Thailand and welcome to one of Bangna-Trad's most unique private residences. Set on a generous 341 square mile of land with over 1,364 square meters of usable space, this is not a typical family home. This is an estate designed for privacy, flexibility, and longevity. The main residence spans 2 floors, featuring 3 large bedrooms and 5 bathrooms along a full suite of living spaces, a formal reception area, multiple lounges, a dedicated office, a main kitchen, maid's quarters, storage rooms, attic space, and thoughtfully planned utility areas. What immediately stands out as you enter the home are the materials. This home is built from solid teak, not imitation, not veneer, and is meticulously maintained over time. The architecture is not only beautiful, but the structure is strong and the craftsmanship is deliberate. Every corner here tells a story of patience and skill. This here is the master bedroom. You have a large balcony, not just one, but 2 large balconies, and a spacious walk-in closet. One of my favorite features of this home is this right here. This opens up to a large attic upstairs, and apart from that, it also has this door that opens up to the second bedroom. The bedrooms are quietly interconnected by hidden corridors, and from each of them, a ladder leads up to a surprisingly expansive attic, completely concealed from plain sight. Just beside the main residence here is one of the most charming features of this property. This is the Grass House Pavilion that is situated right next to a little waterfall and landscaped greenery. Designed according to feng shui principles, this space works beautifully as a private dining area, meditation room, or a small meeting space for 8 to 10 people, ideal for owners who host discreet gatherings or conduct business from home. Beyond the main residence, the estate expands into several purpose-built structures, rarely seen in a private home. There is a 3-story conference and accommodation building equipped with 5 bedrooms and 6 bathrooms, including separate male and female facilities, perfectly suited for staff, visiting teams, or extended family. This
is one of the most powerful rooms in the entire property. This is the grand meeting room. It can sit up to 30 people, made entirely from solid teak. It's not just a meeting room, but it's designed for long, private conversations. Additionally, upstairs here, we have 4 private bedrooms dedicated to staff to support long-term living and day-to-day operations of this estate. Additionally, this compound here can be served as a banquet hall, warehouse, storage, or even a place to store your classic cars. Location matters, and this home sits in a highly practical yet understated part of Bangkok, just along Bangna-Trad Road.
The property enjoys convenient access to key amenities including Mega Bangna and Tesco Lotus, while still maintaining a sense of privacy rarely found this close to the city. This home isn't for everyone, and that's exactly its strength. It's ideal for large families seeking space, privacy, and multi-use living, foreign buyers who value discretion and architectural character, investors looking for a one-of-a-kind asset suitable for private leasing, executive stays, or retreat-style use, and collectors who genuinely appreciate the artistry and long-term value of real teak wood, a material that becomes rarer every year.
From an investment standpoint, properties like this sit in a category of its own.
True teak homes of this scale are increasingly difficult and costly to reproduce today. The land size, multiple structures, craftsmanship, and versatility give this estate long-term relevance, not just as a residence, but as a private compound with income and legacy potential. This home represents a rare opportunity to own a private teak estate in a city where space, materials, and craftsmanship like this are becoming increasingly scarce.
At Investing Thailand, we don't just showcase homes, we curate opportunities with character, longevity, and intention. If you're interested in taking a look at a unique home in Thailand, contact us today.